In this video, I'm going to share with you a little bit of the research about mindfulness of the soles of the feet. I discovered this practice through Tai Chi, and it's been an amazing practice to help me even in the most difficult moments of my life. Being able to sense my feet on the floor, feel my contact with the earth, and really bring my mind down from here, where it can get very busy and chaotic, all the way down to the simple sensation of the feet on the floor has been immensely helpful. When I looked at the research on mindfulness of the soles of the feet, I was really inspired by the work of Singh and colleagues. Singh had been working in an inpatient facility for young people who not only had some troubles with learning difficulties, but who also had gotten into trouble with the police. So these are youngsters who are pretty distressed, pretty disorganized, but also have some trouble maybe learning things and learning techniques that can help them. And what Singh did with one of his young patients, who was particularly challenging, not only in terms of trying to figure out how to help this young person, but in terms of how the staff were able to relate to this young person because they were a bit aggressive and violent. And he decided to really simplify things. Just teach mindfulness of the soles of the feet. Just teach bringing your awareness to the feet on the floor and holding the attention there for as long as you can, noticing if the mind wanders. And if you see that your mind is attending to anything that's not the soles of the feet, you say to your mind, mind, not now. I see you, not now. No matter what that is, not now. Get back. Come back to the soles of the feet. It sounds like a simple practice, but when you try it in a second, you'll see that it's not actually that difficult because the monkey mind likes to go for lots and lots of wandering. So we choose to focus on the feet. We know that the mind is going to wander. As soon as we spot it, we drop it and come back. And repeat, repeat, repeat. Now, many people say, why would I want to pay attention to the soles of my feet? I know where my feet are. I don't need to do this. And the point is, you're training your brain. You're training your brain not only to do what you tell it to do, but you're also training yourself to be able to notice when the mind has pulled you somewhere and release from that train of thinking and redirect your attention to where you want it to go. And this is a really valuable skill if you have a mind that tends to pull you away or tends to pull you into preoccupations, certain kinds of thinking patterns. Maybe that's a planning monkey that's endlessly thinking about things in the future, or a mind that likes to rehearse and go over things again and again and again. No matter what the thinking pattern, mindfulness of the soles of the feet is about seeing it, releasing it, and then letting it go. And this is what Singh taught to the client that he was working with, this young man with some anger issues, with some trouble managing his mind. And over a course of a few weeks, and then with practice, he was able to manage his mind and manage his angry outbursts using mindfulness of the soles of the feet. So when I discovered this work, it really gave me confidence to offer this as a technique to anybody who's experiencing elevated mental states, elevated thinking, agitation, preoccupation, just mind gone into full chaos, and kind of, sense of feeling out of control. So there is one thing you can do. You can say, I see you, mind. Wow, look at you. Not now. Right now, I'm super interested in the soles of the feet. And if we can do this in a formal practice, where we're like at the gym for our mind, very deliberately training, or even informally, when we're walking around, taking our walk, walking between the bathroom and the kitchen, these are the things that can help us stay present, stay in our body, and stay here and now when the mind is trying to take us away. So give it a go and let me know how you get on.